Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Physics Past Question 38. So you have this diagram, okay, displayed here. Now in the diagram above, a 200 watts bulb is lighted by a 240 volt AC main supply. If 1 kilowatt per hour is sold at 14 naira, the cost of keeping the light bulb lighted for a day is A. 192 naira, B. 1 naira 92 kobo, C. 19 naira 2 kobo, or 19 naira 20 kobo, D. 1920 naira. Okay, so it's important to note that energy consumed in a setup like this or similar to this is equal to the power multiplied by time. Okay, so in this case the power is 200 watts, so the energy consumed times 24 hours, that is 1 day. Okay, we ask for when the bulb is lighted for 1 day at this power. This is the power of the bulb, so 200 watts times 24 hours is equal to 4,800 watts, okay, per hour. 4,800 watts per hour, or watts hour. Now to convert it to kilowatts, because we are going to be making some calculation in one, okay, which if the we are going to be making the calculations using kilowatts per hour, so we need to convert this to kilowatts per hour. So we divide that by 1,000, and that will be equal to 4.8 kilowatts per hour. Okay, now 1 kilowatt per hour costs 40 naira. Therefore 4.8 kilowatts per hour will cost, that is 4.8 times 40, and that is equal to 192 naira. 192 naira, and 192 naira is option A. So option A is the answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.